2. You get the idea. What's up, Jooba people? This tutorial is brought to you by the Jooba people, the community and classroom that you can pay for about $7 a month. You can get access to this PDF and a bunch of other ones, and you can just ask questions and request songs. This song was requested by one of our community members, and she requested this song, and then I did it a few weeks later. So sometimes I do it quicker, but every Wednesday I will do a couple of tutorials for premium community paying members. What a long name. Okay, so for this song, we're going to be using our key of C chords with capo on the 2nd fret, so that puts it in the key of D. And we've got some really nice riffs here, and just 2 different chord progressions, actually 3, because in the tag we do an F minor. So there are some difficult chords in this, but yeah, I think you'll be fine with this. Okay, depends on where you are. Okay, so the first 2 chords are C over G and F. And she does this F sometimes, but I like to do the one with the bass here. But you can choose which F you're comfortable with. And then there's some 2 riffs in between, and then we also have these 3 chords, E in the chorus and F minor. So like an E minor, just 1 fret up and a bar. And then she uses a G major bar chord, but you could use it just a regular G like that. Okay. Now for the riffs, you have this first riff going. These are 6th intervals, and it's really nice. So you start on the 3rd and 4th frets with this shape, and you can slide into it. And I played with these 2 fingers. And then when you hit the C chord, you start with a pinch here. And then you just kind of strum. And I kind of do just a strum with my index finger, just loose. So it kind of sounds like a hybrid between picking and strumming. That's kind of the trick. And then the second riff, you start where you finished with those 2 open strings, and then you go. To basically F major chord, and that takes you through the verses and the intro. So came along. There is, however, in the intro 1 other riff she does the 2nd time she plays the intro. So the 2nd time she plays the intro, she does this riff. So it's the C. The first thing. So that's just a little riff that she adds sometimes. Okay, so then when you get to the chorus, it's just very simple. The endless weight of my life can be lifted up like wings. the underneath of my life, and effortlessness in its sense. Oh, such a beautiful riff. And then the tag after the second chorus, we go to the tag. Oh, sorry, let me just add that. After the second chorus, we go to the tag, which is the same, except we do an F minor chord. And la 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 la. La 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 la. Bit of a difficult switch, and then you go G, F, let me quickly pause, I just want to listen to that. Okay, that last part is so it's after the G, or you could go la 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 la. You can decide how you want to end that. Sorry, I didn't move to that outro. All right, that's it, guys. I think you'll be good with this one. The hard thing is the riffs, and then just the kind of lightly strumming. Down, up, down. The strumming is basically down, up, down, up, down. And you're doing kind of a hybrid between picking and strumming. Okay, cool beans. Enjoy.